Okay, hi Katy Perry. So the firework in my life is my mom. She's like the best person ever. She's so inspiring to me and my sister and to whomever she meets. She is just always there for me despite the fact that she was diagnosed with diabetes when I was a kid, and she's lost both of her legs, and she's just like she's sick a lot, but um she is just an amazing person. She's always like here, like she's always there if you need her to talk to, and she's always like has great words of wisdom. um she touches everybody she meets. Like everyone's always just like so in love with my mom because she's just that great of a person. And like I said, despite everything that she's been through and how sick she always just pushes forward and is amazing. Just an amazing person. Like you'd love her if you met her. um so yeah, like can't explain it any better. And just, she's a spark in my life. And if it weren't for her, then I don't know where I'd be. Like, she's the best person ever. Yeah. Okay. Bye.